Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can install Mart-free WooCommerce theme in your WordPress website. So these are the different designs for e-commerce website. Now let's see how you can install this theme. First of all, we can go and log in into our WordPress website. So let me go and type website name, then wp-admin and press enter. So after that, you can add your login details, then you can go in WordPress website dashboard. And now let's go, we need to install some plugins. So you can go and install free plugins. First one is the classic editor. Second one is the Elementor plugin that you can choose. So let me go and click on install button. After that, this is e-commerce website. Now we can also install another plugin that's called WooCommerce. So this plugin is also free of cost. You can install it from the WordPress plugin library. And now we need to go and activate these plugins. So after installing plugins, we will install theme files. Now let me go back and activate another plugin. So that is the powerful plugin for WordPress website, and it helps you design anything. And now let's go back. Then here you can see store coming soon. You can go and change it to the live, this one. After that, you can go back to the settings, and here you can check the permalink structure. Okay, it should be selected, this one. Now let's go back and start uploading theme files. Here you can see this one is the theme file. Simply you can go and extract these files. You can use WinRAR, 7-zip, any other software to extract these files. After that, inside this file, we need to upload these two files. So let me go and click on add theme, and then upload theme, select the file. Now let me select this one, theme file. Now theme is uploading. Now theme is installed. Let me activate the theme. And after that, now we need to install child theme. So we need to go and repeat the same process. Simply go and click on upload theme file and install this one, child theme file. And activate this theme. Now we need to install these plugins. So let's go. And after that, you can install these plugins. I will recommend you install one by one, as sometimes you can get critical errors in your website. So that's why after installing all the plugins, we need to go back and activate these plugins. So let's go, and again we can activate these plugins one by one. So now let's go and reload this page. Let's see. So still these plugins need to activate. Now let's go back and check if all the plugins are activated. Okay, Now we need to install one more plugin so that you will get in your theme files. You can go in plugins and this one. So let me copy this plugin file and add it here. Now let's go and upload this plugin file. So now we have installed all the plugins that are recommended as well as required. Now you can go back, appearance, and click on import demo data. So these are the two main page builders that you can select, Elementor and WP Bakery. So let me go and click on this one, technology. And now it will add all the design that we see in this screenshot. Now let's wait for a few minutes, and it depends upon your internet speed and web hosting server speed. Now demo content is imported. Let's go and view the website. So now again we need to reload this website. Sometime it can take few seconds. Now here you can see a professional design. So you can also install and you can easily build your own e-commerce website.